What have we learned so far about the nominee?
And what does her path forward look like toward possible confirmation? I-Team reporter Sean Hegarty sat down with a University of Toledo professor who's been watching this all unfold.
One of the biggest takeaways from the Senate confirmation hearing of Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is the lack of fireworks, the lack of drama.
She's relatively cautious, a number of answers, number of questions she didn't answer. There were a number of questions that she answered kind of in abstract or general ways.
Not surprising, according to University of Toledo law professor Strang, who says some responses make her sound more like someone appointed by a Republican president.
Somebody who is perceived to have generally a progressive political view or ideological view is saying the kind of things that a more conservative ideological view person like a Kavanaugh or like a Gorsuch would have said, in fact, did say.
Of course she wasn't. Strang says Brown Jackson has all the qualifications, with some of her rulings leaning left of center. Judge Brown Jackson would be the first former public defender on the high court since Thurgood Marshall, which would bring a new perspective. Republicans have hammered her with questions to discern how she'd rule on things like transgender cases, with no controversial answers yet.
If Supreme Court justices are going to be deciding these really important issues, and you know issues regarding transgenderism are going to come before the Supreme Court, people want to know, what do you think a man is, or what do you think a woman is?
The historical significance of the first black woman nominated for this position is not lost on senators, according to Strang, and we're not sure how every single one will vote.
Most of the fighting is over. Does this person have, depending on who the questioner is, the right philosophy of judging, the right approach to the Constitution? And I actually think that's appropriate.
In Toledo, Sean Hegarty, 13 ABC Action News.